One of the questions people ask is this a DIY project? And even if it's not, how long would it take? So what you see here, you'd probably think, oh wow, this crew was here for weeks doing this job. Actually not. This entire project was custom designed before the installation crew came, and all of these parts were pre-made on CNC, computer numerical control equipment, and pre-cut. And these drawer boxes were actually made before the crew came to the site. So a system like this was actually installed within 2 to 3 days that our crew was on this site, because the parts were pre-made. With the installation, people will ask, hey, can I keep the existing closet or the existing trim in place? The short answer is no. Usually, unless we were working around something that was there, we're normally going to remove the base trim and the existing closet for a wardrobe installation. Now, people would look and say, is this thing a DIY project? I'd say unless you're a really good carpenter and you're gonna have a lot of time on your hands, I'd say it's generally not a DIY project. It's really something that I would recommend be professionally done. There's a lot of details that people might not notice, things like, how are you going to handle, in this case here, there's an exhaust and you need to be able to vent out of there. One of the things you can't see, it's kind of tucked away in here, is how are we going to take this TV and make sure we have power? So there's a grommet in there that you're running to the power that's inside of another one of these doors that you have here. Or how are we going to run the lighting that we've got in here into wherever the outlet is at as well. So there's a lot of technical details. I'd say with a wardrobe, it's certainly not as easy if somebody had a small reach-in closet and they decided to buy a little system at one of the big box stores. So if you want to learn more about whether it's custom wardrobe, custom closet, standard little reach-in closet, go to innovatehomework.com. Give us a call, 614-545-6888. Thanks so much.